Alright guys, this is a moment of truth. My temperature is at the normal temperature, under half where it usually stays at. Let's see how fast it goes up if it does. Last time I drove it, but before I even got to the front of my neighborhood, that bitch was already on the H again, so as long as we don't get that, we should be good. Hopefully my manual mode works this time too, because I low-key feel like sliding it. But I probably won't, not yet. Not until I figure out if the thermostat works or not. And if this thermostat don't work, then what the fuck? All right, so I'm to the front of the neighborhood, and it's still below half, so that's a good sign. I should have just let it run, like I said, and then it would already told me before I left the house if both hoses were the same, if it works or not. But definitely idling weird as fuck. It's idling super low at like 800. That's like 750. Let's see if I get on it. Will it change that shit? We got a freaking fire truck. Hopefully he's not coming in my neighborhood. Nope. That's a good sign. Something's not right. Something's not right at all. My rev match. This car makes me so happy. So happy. Look at this ugly ass Mustang truck. That shit ugly. Who the fuck made that? What the fuck? It's going back up again. Alright, back to the house. Alright y'all, so it is currently the next morning. The hood's still open on the G. I didn't fix it yesterday. First of all, I had other work to do. And then second of all, the shit kept pissing me off. Y'all see me put in the first, and then I feel like shit. I don't know if I sound different, but I feel like I sound different. And my camera's acting up. I started feeling like shit yesterday. I'm not used to being outside anymore like that anymore. I'm always inside chilling. And there's pollen and stuff everywhere, so my allergies are fucking me up right now. There's no way my shoe just got wet. Anyways, I put in the first thermostat, shit's still doing the same thing. Took it back, put in the second thermostat, still doing the same thing. I want to ask my VQ buddies in my neighborhood on the other side what they thought. Everybody keeps saying thermostat, 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 which is the same thing I was thinking. Maybe the thermostat's not working, maybe it's bad. It's a Duralast, maybe the AutoZone brand just sucks. Don't know, but one of the guys that got a 350 over there, he drifts, or they both drift, but one of them was like, he just took his out. So I got my old one. Where is it at? I don't know where it went at, but so I pretty much just took thermostat out of here. He said he let his free run, and he drifted the hell out of his, so he just never overheated. So if that's the case with him, who got the same exact motor, it'll be the same thing for me. Here's a thermostat right here. I took it out, and hopefully this thing works. I don't know what else it could be after this. Like I've been working on cars for all these years. It's super simple. If one side is cold and one side is hot, the thermostat's not flowing. It's just plain and simple. I don't know how the fuck my luck gave me 2 bad thermostats in a row, or maybe that thermostat just not working right. I don't know. I really didn't even want to buy the AutoZone brand. I wanted to buy the Mali or whatever, but they didn't have it, and it won't be here for a couple days. I need this car running now, so I just put it back together. Just put some coolant in it. Fingers crossed. Oh shit, camera. I left my camera in my car last night. It's frosty. Anyways, fingers crossed. First startup. Let's do it. I literally just got up like 10 minutes ago. I haven't even washed my face, brushed my teeth, did anything. Came straight out here to figure this shit out because this is like the most important thing that I need to figure out right now. Well, anyways, I'm gonna let it run for about 15 minutes, let it get operating temps, and I'll update you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so finally, I think we may be getting somewhere now. I think we may have it now. Jeez. This hose is, oh shit. This hose is hotter than it ever was yesterday. I can still hold on to it, obviously, because I haven't driven the car, but it's definitely got a lot more heat in there now. And it's about equal to this hose. Yeah, finally, I can hold on to this one too. Finally. Jeez, thanks to Corey. She definitely helped me out with that situation. Because I was like, what the fuck am I gonna do? Not gonna keep putting thermostats in here. I wanted to order the better brand anyway. They didn't have it. I would have been waiting for another 2 days. I think I did try that. And it worked. So great. I gotta go tell him thank you. Oh, I helped him yesterday. He helped me. That's funny. He has a 240. He bought his girlfriend a 240 a hatch, S13 hatch. And somebody had put a K&N oil filter on it. And everyone knows with a K&N oil filter, you don't have to change it. Like 2 times. You can use it 2 times. Most people just keep using it though. They don't use it 2 times and they give it up. They just keep on using it. And apparently whoever he bought the engine from didn't change the oil filter for a couple times, and it was stuck on there. It literally took every ounce of strength that I had to turn that down filter to get it off. So I helped him out yesterday, and then he gave me advice and helped me out. That's the car community for you. So whoever said the car community sucks, you suck. How about that? Anyways, I'm gonna give this about another 15 minutes to warm up. It's still at a quarter right now. I'm gonna warm up a little bit more, and I'm gonna shut it off. I actually gotta go to the junkyard. This just took a shit on me. It's old and shitty. Yeah, so it's one thing after the next. But at least I got the overheating issue over with. That was my main concern, to fix that shit, because that was annoying. So thank God we got that fixed. I'll update you guys in a minute. I don't know if you guys saw that. Clearly you guys saw that, actually. I literally almost just ran into my garage. That's why you don't drive with slides on. That's why it's against the law to drive with slides on, because that was a prime example. I was driving up here just now. My slide fell off. And I don't drive with slides on. I don't do that. I just was backing it in, so I was like, fuck it. But my slide flipped off, and it got caught between the freaking gas and the brake. And I was trying to freaking push the brake, and I couldn't get to it. I ended up just smashing both of them down. That was funny. I almost fucking ran through my damn garage. That would have been so bad. Anyways, we'll let the car cool down now. Yes, that hose is stupid hot now. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yep, let it cool down now. I know it's not enough coolant in there. I might run to the store and get some more coolant, because right now it's just like water and coolant. I really want predominantly coolant in there. But I don't know. I'll think on it while it's cooling down. But yeah, until then, I guess we got it all figured out. So I'm gonna let the camera rest for a minute. Let that cool down. I'm gonna go inside, brush my teeth, wash my face now, get ready for the day, find something to eat. By the time I get done doing that, that should be cool now. I should be ready to put some more coolant in there. So let me go get myself together. And yeah, see you guys soon. All right, I washed it all down, I topped it back off, it needs a little bit more. Corrected a couple of other issues that I seen down there, because I had to get up under the car. gonna let the hood down, and I guess we're gonna take it for a drive, which I'm very afraid of right now for some awkward reason. Because every time yesterday, everything was perfectly fine. It did good. Sat in the yard. As long as it was in the yard idling, it never passed the quarter mark. Every time I wanted to go drive it, straight to the H. So I guess we're gonna go see now. My hands are all cut up from yesterday. So annoying. Wow, while I'm driving it, it went down under the quarter. Oh, hopefully this works. Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good. I scared the cat. Slow down for the road workers up here. Everybody cutting grass and working on the power lines around here. Gotta slow down for them. These guys out here trying to do good things for us. Make sure we keep them safe. Temperature's not moving. I'm gonna get on the gas a little bit more. Okay, yesterday by this time temperature was climbing almost to the H. It was at 3/4 of the way yesterday. And look where it's at right now. Same spot I was in yesterday when it started to overheat the first time. These are all good signs that maybe this thing is fixed. I low-key don't want to go too far, but I do at the same time. But yesterday really got me paranoid, so we'll see how far I go. The sun is bright. It's nice out, but it's pollinating it. You can tell I'm still not feeling right. My voice still sounds different. I got some hot tea at the house waiting for me when I get back. Put a little bit of lemon, a little bit of honey, a little bit of cinnamon in it. I didn't even freaking redline it. I literally shipped it at like 6,000. It goes to like 7. And I'm still nice temperatures. It actually went down some. That's crazy. I should have been took this freaking thermostat out. Now I know when I get my next, because I want to buy another G. My plan is to buy another G. One that's already manual once I save up some money. One that's already manual. Probably just put a new motor in it. And then have it as a race car. Right, well, it looks like we're good now. By this time yesterday, I couldn't even get out of my neighborhood, so I just drove it around the whole block. That was literally like 3 or 4 miles I just drove, and he hasn't even budged yet. So I'm gonna take it back to the house now. All right, y'all. Finally got it fixed. Finally. You know how bad it sucks to have 2 broken cars? Even though this car is like semi-broken, it's not all the way broken, it's still broken. Something's still wrong with it. Look how close I am to that curb without even touching. Look at that, baby. If your ass know how to drive like that, can't be on my team. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, you guys don't know how bad it sucks to have 2 broken cars. When you have 2 nice-ass cars and they're both broken, that shit sucks. So I guess next I'll be getting a battery for that car. And then gotta go to the junkyard and get the coolant reservoir for this car next. That's gonna be another video though. I don't feel good and I'm done recording for now. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank y'all for being a part of my channel. We just hit 5,500. The goal is to hit 10K this year. I know y'all can make this happen. Y'all share this video, like this shit. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're just one of those random watchers that haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. Don't even waste no time with it. 10,000 milestone by the end of this year. If you got a G35 or G37, let me know. Hit me up for stickers. If you want to hit me up, you can hit me up on Instagram. I mean on Snapchat. That's my Snap. And if you don't have Snap or if you don't use Snap, you can always bang my Instagram. I do reply back. I'm not super famous to where I got 50 million people hitting me up at one time. So if you do hit me up on Instagram or Snap, I will reply back. If you guys are serious about a sticker or just saying what's up, just want to reach out to me or say some shit. Let me know. I'm a cool person. I'm always down to talk to new people. But yeah, as far as this is gonna be it. That's all I got for y'all today. Thank you all for watching once again. Smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Add my socials, and I will see y'all in the next one.